Hi, greetings from Berkshire Guitar Amplifier Repairs. I'm down on the floor today because I've got a Fender Twin up on the bench which I've been refurbishing and I'm making a video about, so that will get published eventually. A quick look at a Marshall 2550, which I don't think I've seen one of these before. Anyway, the problem is the customer's had it in storage for several years, hasn't played it, just dragged it out to play, and the sound kind of comes and goes. Sometimes it's there, sometimes it fades away. Well, my immediate thought when I hear those symptoms of long-term storage are pots. They get stuck in one position and need cleaning, and effects send and return jacks, which get dirty and can cause breakup. But anyway, let's not speculate, let's get it powered up and see if we can reproduce the customer's problem. Okay, I've got the amp switched on and a guitar plugged in. Let's just have a quick listen. Right, what we've got there is a low level distorted output. The volumes are all at a sensible level, but I heard it cut through and come loud and then go soft again, and I think this is probably what the customer was experiencing. Now, the very first thing I'm going to check on this situation is the effects send and return jacks. Here they are on this particular amp, send and return. I'll explain why in a minute, but let's just eliminate this first of all. Whenever I hear this low level distorted sound, but then sometimes the sound punches through, particularly if you give the amp a bang or something, I suspect the send and return jacks, particularly if the amp has been standing for a long time, as this one has. Now let me show you how you can test it. Just get yourself an ordinary jack plug. This is a short jack to jack lead I've got, and very tentatively plug it into the effects return to start off with. I'm just going to strum a chord. And I'm going to really slowly push this in to open the contacts. That was an interesting crackle as I went in there. Let's pull it out. See how that's come back? I don't think it's a send. That's come back full now. Now watch what happens as I've tentatively open the connections in there. See, it goes. That's gone completely now. It's gone into distorted mode. Pull it out and it's still in distorted mode. See if what we're doing is wiping the contacts on the jack. I'll show you exactly what's happening here in a moment. But this seems to me to be the problem with this amp, nothing more than this. That is now working perfectly okay. And it's now no longer sensitive to the plug being put in. It's usually the return. Okay, I'm going to put a little squirt of deoxit down there and work the jack plug in and out a couple more times. You don't need to see me do that, and then I want to explain to you what's going on there. Okay, that's a solid fix. Since it's been standing around so long, I just also want to check the pots to see how scratchy they are. All seems good actually. That's all fine. So that's job done on that. Well, it's not often they go quite so simply as that. It's nice when you have that from time to time, just a quick fix. So if your sound is coming and going on your amp, particularly if you give it a bang or a knock, sometimes it seems to be okay, sometimes it goes crackly in, low volume and distorted. Do have a look at your effects send and return jacks to make sure that they are not dirty. Well, I hope you enjoyed that one. I'll catch you on the next video, and as ever, thank you for watching.